पता है, मैं कभी कोई खिलौना मांगती हूँ तो बाबा पहले तो मना कर देते हैं, पर 2 दिन बाद खुद ही लेकर आते हैं।
अब अच्छा थोड़ा ही लगता है कि बच्चों को तिल्ली जितनी बात के लिए भी मना करना पड़े।
पर क्या करें, हम तो रोज कर्ज लेकर रोज कमाकर रोज खाने वाले लोगों में से हैं।
2 महीने से पैसे चुकाए नहीं तूने, चल घर खाली कर। इस बार तो पैसे लिए बिना जाने वाला नहीं मैं।
ऐसे में हम क्या करें, आप ही बताइए। आखिर हमें भी समाज में रहना है, उसकी टोपी उसके सर। पैसे कमा कमा कर हम किसको दें, घर वालों को या ब्याज वालों को?
अगर बैंक से पैसे मिल जाते तो?
क्या बैंक?
हाँ, जैसे बैंक तो हमें देखते ही कहेगी, अरे साहब आइए बैठिए, बताइए आपको कितने पैसे चाहिए।
बिना गारंटी क्यों देगी बैंक हमें लोन?
सपने इधर हाथ से नहीं वाला मुंह तक पहुंच जाए, यही एक सपना है भैया। हाँ
नहीं, मेरा एक सपना है कि मैं इस सड़क से दुकान तक पहुंचूं।
मेरी दुकान के सिर पर कर्जा ना रहे।
मैं अपने ब्यूटी पार्लर को और अपग्रेड करूं।
मैं सिर्फ काम की फिक्र करूं, पैसों की नहीं।
मेरा सपना है मुझे कभी किसी के सामने हाथ ना फैलाना पड़े।
पर बाबा कहते हैं कि सपने तो सपने होते हैं।
Okay friends, to solve this problem, government launched PM Mudra Yojana. Let's discuss it. Mudra here is Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Bank. PM Mudra Yojana is an Indian government scheme to support and enhance the micro business sector. It was launched by Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi on 8th April 2015. The scheme's objective is to refinance collateral-free loans given by the lenders to the small borrowers. Mudra Bank is a public sector financial institution of India. It provides loans at low rates to microfinance institutions and non-banking financial institutions, which then provide credit to the MSMEs. Banks and MFIs can draw refinance under the Mudra scheme after becoming member lending institution of Mudra. Mudra loans are available for non-agricultural activities up to 10 lakh and activities allied to the agriculture such as dairy, poultry, beekeeping, etc. are also covered. Mudra's unique features include a Mudra card, which permits access to working capital through ATMs and card machines. Basically, the formation of the agency was initially announced in 2015 Union Budget of India in February 2015. It was formally launched on 8th April that year. The Mudra banks were set up under the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. It provides its services to small entrepreneurs outside the service area of regular banks by using last mile agents. The bank has classified its clients into 3 categories, and the maximum allowed loans sums will be based on these categories. Number 1 is Shishu, allowed loans up to 50,000 rupees. Second category is Kishore, allowed loans up to 5 lakhs. And third one is Tarun, allowed loans up to 10 lakh rupees. Government has decided to provide an additional fund of 1 trillion rupees to the market and will be allocated as 40% to Shishu, 35% to Kishore and 25% to Tarun. Those eligible to borrow from Mudra Bank are as follows: small manufacturing unit, shopkeepers, fruit and vegetable vendors, artisans are eligible for the loan. Recently, Cabinet has approved 2% interest subvention approved on prompt repayment of Shishu loans under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana for a period of 12 months. The estimated cost of the scheme would be approximately 1,542 crores, which would be provided by the Government of India. This scheme is for implementation of one of the measures relating to MSMEs announced under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The scheme will be extended to loans which meet the following category: outstanding as on 31st March 2020 and not in non-performing asset NPA category as per the RBI guidelines. The interest subvention would be payable for the months in which the accounts are not in NPA category, including for the months that the account becomes as a performing asset again after turning NPA. The scheme will be implemented through the Small Industries Development Bank of India, that is SIDBI, and will be in operation for 12 months. The scheme has been formulated as a specific response to an unprecedented situation and aims to alleviate financial stress from the borrowers at the bottom of the pyramid by reducing their cost of credit. It will incentivize people who will make regular repayments of loans. That's all for the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana today. Thanks, friends.